$1,276,000 in my Phantom wallet. And I didn't get it by aping into random pumps. I made it by launching the smart way. Stick around, I'm breaking down the full process. Trading meme coins felt like chasing ghosts. Every win was tiny, every loss fucking wiped me out. Then I realized something game changing. The winners in the space, they're the ones creating the coins, not buying them. They drop a token, let the hype do its thing, and cash out fast whenever the fuck they want. And now that's exactly what I do. I launch, liquidity, exit, repeat. It's not luck, it's a system. And if you're still buying, you're on the wrong end of it. I just want to be clear that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so let's go. Everyone rushes to Pump.Fun, but nobody talks about how bottlenecked it is. Hundreds of tokens drop every hour, and only a few survive long enough to get real traction. That's why I use personally CreateTokens.Fun. Whoops. The moment you launch, your coin is immediately graduated and listed on Raydium. That means your buyers don't have to wait for any milestones. They can trade instantly. Plus, your coin shows up on deck screener right away, without you lifting a finger. No bonding curve, no holding back. Just pure exposure from second one. It's the fastest path from launch to hype, and that's why it works. So once you're on CreateTokens.Fun, you've got two options to launch. Either create a brand new meme coin from scratch, or take the smarter route. I always go with the second one, copying trending coins. Why? Because these coins are already popping off on Pump.Fun. Tons of volume, tons of buyers. And with the copy coins tab, CreateTokens.Fun filters out all the junk and shows you what already fucking works. You don't have to guess, research, or waste time. You pick a coin that's already going viral and relaunch it on Raydium. Raydium will list it instantly. No bonding curve, no market cap minimum, no nonsense. That's where the profits come from. Visibility, speed, and hype. I've made way more doing this than trying to build from scratch. Because the momentum is already there. You just plug in, launch, and watch the buyers roll in. Alright, enough talking, let's launch something real. This coin right here just caught my eye. It's sitting at a $26,400 market cap and had a fresh buy 6 seconds ago. Literally. Looks active, looks promising, so I'm jumping in. First step, connect your wallet. It's really simple, it's just right here. Then hit create coin. A warning will pop up. Totally normal, just proceed and confirm. Boom, 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 boom. Give it a few seconds. And boom, view on SoScan. As you guys can see, it's officially on the blockchain. Now, copy here and click create liquidity pool. Now it's time to move on and create the liquidity pool. Now here's really simple. Select your token and Solana. It should be automatic. Token B, hit max or 90%. I would recommend to put 90%, honestly. Token B, 0.4 Solana. That's your buy-in. You will get it back later. Just make sure you have enough here, okay? You're not losing this money once again. Then create pool. Approve it. And then hit refresh. After that, scroll down. The vanity coin is live on the Raydium pool. We're up $48 to $50 in profit. Click on view on Photon. Boom, it's live. The coin is officially live on the blockchain. Oh my god, it's already at what? It's already at $25,000 in market cap. What the fuck? Yo, it's actually insane. $40,000 volume, 500 transactions, or $21,000 liquidity. What? Dude, it's so volatile. Oh my god. This is fucking disgusting. I've never seen a coin go viral this much. Yo, bro. This is the fucking power of CreateTokens.Fun, bro. I'm telling you guys. Yo, it went up a bit. CreateTokens.Fun is the fucking power fucking money printer. Okay, alongside Raydium, obviously, we have to give props to Raydium too. Now, to check your profits, come back to CreateTokens.Fun. After that, click on refresh. And just like that, we're up $1.6 thousand with a $25,000 market cap. Oh my fucking god, we're up $1.7 thousand within minutes. Can you fucking process that? It's actually fucking insane. Now we're even higher, I'm pretty sure. Now I'm gonna give this coin around 20 minutes and we're gonna see where it's at, so be right back. Okay, I'm back. The coin is at the $13,000 market cap, but that's not important. We have to be looking at the liquidity, $16,000, and the long-term potential. I genuinely think this coin could go really, really high. That's my personal opinion, obviously. Yeah. Now for the transactions, it is kind of dead. I did notice that someone is botting me at the moment. This fucking wallet is botting me. I think they bought a bunch of accounts. I'm not sure, but yeah. Yeah. To remove the liquidity, come back to createtokens.fun. After that, click on refresh to see how much we're at. Obviously, yeah. Okay, we're up $2.4 thousand with a $13,000 market cap. With a $16,000 liquidity. Now, if I click, to remove the liquidity, click the minus button, and here you can choose how much percentage you want to remove out of the coin. I'm personally going to do 32%. Let me explain why. Okay, I still believe in the coin. I think tomorrow is going to rip. Okay, but I'm just talking from experience. You can obviously do whatever you want. You can just remove the full 2.4 bands if you want. That's on you. Remove the liquidity. And as you guys can see here, we're going to receive on the dot for SOL, which is like 30%. Then click on confirm. And boom, we just made some fucking money, some bread, some cheddar. And if I open my Phantom wallet, that should be, yes sir, 4 SOL. And by the way, before you click off, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. It will help the channel a lot. And join my Telegram group.